Remember that amazing suction? The way your Dyson V11 made cleaning feel almost effortless? What if that powerful hum suddenly turned into a faint whimper? Or worse, silence? Like our customer here, you press the trigger on your Dyson V11, ready to conquer the mess. But instead of that powerful roar, you get nothing. When your Dyson V11 loses its power, a faulty motor is often the culprit, a critical component that powers your entire vacuum. It's a common issue, and believe us, it's a frustrating one. When your motor fails, your cleaning routine grinds to a halt. You're left with a messy home, wasted time, and the sheer frustration of a premium appliance not performing as it should. Perhaps you've thought about trying a DIY fix? We get it. The internet is full of solutions. But trying to fix a complex piece of engineering like your Dyson V11 motor yourself can be a risky business. One wrong move, one stripped screw, one incompatible part, and you could turn a repairable issue into a total write-off. And even if you manage to open it up, how do you know you're using a genuine part? And what happens if you don't address this motor issue? That dust and dirt doesn't disappear. It accumulates, leading to a less hygienic home, potential allergen buildup, and let's be honest, that nagging feeling of an unfinished chore. You might even consider buying a brand new vacuum, throwing away hundreds, even thousands of ringgit. Don't let a faulty motor hold your home hostage or force you into an unnecessary big purchase. Instead of risking a DIY disaster, why not trust the experts who understand your Dyson V11 inside and out? At RoboCare, we specialize in bringing your beloved Dyson back to life. Our certified professionals use only genuine parts, ensuring your vacuum performs exactly as it should. We believe in complete transparency. From the moment you drop off your Dyson, or when our convenient courier service picks it up, you'll receive regular updates via email, detailing the diagnosis, the repair process, and the cost. No hidden fees, no guesswork. Just honest, expert service. So, if your Dyson V11 is struggling with a faulty motor, don't wait for the problem to get worse. Give your Dyson the care it deserves. Visit our website to book your service today or simply call us.